this is Kyla from Resident Tech Connect, and today we're going to be talking to Sue from Guthrie Frey Water Conditioning. Today she's going to be telling us about everything you need to know when it comes to purchasing a water softener, the effects of having hard water on your lifestyle, and what they offer at Guthrie Frey Water Conditioning. Hey Sue, how's it going?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, good. I'm really excited to hear about what you guys do. What exactly, is hard water? You always hear people talking about hard water. What exactly is it?
Right. So hard water is basically an elevated level of calcium and magnesium in your water. So what we do then is we recommend a water softener, basically to remove the calcium and magnesium in your water, which then is where the term softened water comes from.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha. And what kind of effect does hard water have on your appliances and your body and that sort of thing?
Sure. So hard water is very, very damaging on any water-using appliance that you have in your home. For example, dishwasher, washing machine, anything that uses water, hot water heater, all very hugely impacted by hard water. And what happens after time, they build up a white chalky buildup on the interior of these systems, and with that buildup, it will reduce the life expectancy anywhere up to 25 to 30%.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to go in and basically get pipes fixed and get new appliances and everything quicker if you don't have a water softener.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it can really help to preserve all of your fixtures, even your faucets in your home. You won't have that white chalky buildup on your faucets anymore if you have a water softener. Shower heads, basically anywhere there's water in the home, you may see these water spots. I always tell our clients, they wonder how can you make sure that your water softener is actually working, you will really see it on your glasses and your dishwasher. You'll see like a white milky finish on them, and that is, hard water spots right there.
Gotcha. And does the same, I guess, go for rust? Will it help if you have a well system and that sort of thing?
Absolutely, absolutely. There are certain water softeners that can accommodate low levels of iron in the water, and so we do have hundreds of clients that are on private well, have a low level of iron, and with their water softener, it will remove that too. So, yes, in some cases, it will be able to remove iron.
Oh, no, that's very good to know. And then I guess, you also kind of mentioned that it does affect, your hair and your body, so I'm assuming, dry skin and that sort of thing?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Hard water is very damaging on your hair. And a lot of times clients will say, oh, it feels like, when I take a shower, I can't get the shampoo out of my hair. Well, part of the reason is that when you use soft water, it interacts much more effectively with any type of detergent, whether it's shampoo or you're washing your clothes or dishwashing soap. It interacts with it much quicker. And so I always tell clients to use probably about almost 2/3 of what they're used to using as far as detergent. And I can always tell if my husband forgot to put salt in our water softener because I can feel it right away. And it's almost like your skin kind of tightens. And one of the main reasons is that a lot of people say, well, oh, I want that squeaky clean feeling. If you actually have that on your skin, that means that there's still soap on your body. So It's really the opposite of what people think. It is definitely beneficial for dry skin, hair, all the above.
Oh, that's good to know, because then, if you put the money into having, what I'm assuming, a new softener and keeping up with your salts and stuff, you're going to end up saving money elsewhere with, buying tons of conditioner and buying all these other products that you need to make up for it. So,
absolutely, absolutely.
Well, one of the other questions I have is when you put in a water softener and you have the salts and that sort of thing, is it still safe to drink? Does it affect your drinking water in any sort of capacity?
Sure, that's a great question. A lot of people don't care for the taste of softened water. Some people can't even tell a difference. So is it safe to drink? Absolutely. One thing that I always like to bring up in this area, there's some concern about an elevated level of radium in the water supply. For example, Waukesha County always states on their water bills that there is an elevated level of radium in the water. And what a lot of people don't know is that water softeners actually are rated to remove radium in the water. So yes, it would be, you know, a better water supply to drink through softened water than not in Waukesha County. There's a very, very low level of sodium that actually gets passed on through the water softener. I always tell people you have about as much sodium in 1 gallon of water as you would in a whole loaf of bread. So it's very, very low.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Well, that's really interesting, especially if it's going to be in, like, if they're warning people, like, hey, just so you know, this is in your water in your specific area, then now they know where they can go in order to make sure that that's taken care of.
Yes.
So what type of things does Guthrie and Frey Water, like, what do you guys offer for customers?
Sure. So what we offer is we offer a no-charge water analysis. And we can come over to your house, whatever, you know, your schedule will accommodate. We take a no-charge water sample, take a look at your whole application, and basically put together a recommendation for you on how we feel that your water should be treated best and how you can get the best water quality for your home and family.
Oh, that's awesome. And say, you know, like that my finances are limited. Is there any sort of like rent-to-own type option or something like that when I want to get a water softener?
Oh, yes, definitely. We have multiple options. We have outright purchases, of course. We have rentals, and we also have rent-to-own options available for people. So, and how our rent-to-own option works is 100% of any rent that you pay in the first 12 months can be applied towards your purchase price at the 1-year mark. And we'll proactively remind you about that with a letter.
Oh, that just sounds very convenient. That is awesome. I feel like there's always like so much pressure when it comes to these like home things that you need, and like, you know, just even with like a water heater or anything, just if you're not experienced in it, it makes it easier when you can go to a professional that can be like, look, we'll work with you, we'll make it happen, that sort of thing.
Oh, definitely. And we've been in this area for about 15 years, branched off of another family business that's been around for over 30 years. So we're very well known in the immediate community, but basically we've built our business by doing the right thing for our clients and making sure that they have exactly what they need. We don't oversell our customers. We want them to be happy and refer us. So that's basically how we've built our business.
Oh, that's great. I mean, being a family person, I always look for the businesses that are family owned, you know, shop local, that sort of thing. So it's really cool that you guys have been in business for so long. And where are you guys located?
So we have 2 locations. We have 1 location in Heartland, and then we also have our 2nd location in Cedarburg. And we basically will cover the immediate 5-county area of Milwaukee. So we've got a pretty broad range of where we go.
Oh, definitely. Well, I will add your phone number for all of our viewers to see, and also your website information. And I just want to say thank you for taking the time to talk with Resident Tech today, and we will check in on you in a little bit just to kind of see what's going on, if there's any specials or anything like that.
Sounds great. Well, thank you.